Well, happening today, Governor McMaster will sign a bill into law in just a few minutes to ban nearly all abortions in South Carolina. The House passed the Fetal Heartbeat Bill yesterday by 79 to 35 vote. It bans nearly all abortions once a fetal heartbeat is detected. That's around 6 weeks of pregnancy. Now, there are exceptions for victims of rape or incest and if the mother's health is at risk.
There is nothing, and I'll repeat, nothing more personal than a woman's body. And who gives them, and I say them, the right to tell a woman you have no control over your own body?
If there's one issue in South Carolina that I think just resonates with all my constituents and voters across our state, it is being pro-life. It's protecting life. And so the Heartbeat Bill is a monumental step in South Carolina. It's the biggest piece of pro-life legislation in the history of our state.
Governor McMaster will hold a ceremonial signing of the bill at the State House at 12:30. Opponents say they plan to on a court challenge after it becomes law.
Two women